If you're looking to supercharge your SEO workflow, combining AI with real-time performance data is a complete game changer. In today's video, we're going to walk you through step-by-step how to connect Claude AI directly to your Google Search Console. But before we jump in, if you want a powerful, high-converting digital presence built for your business, check out DubaiWeb.org. We specialize in modern web design and app development tailored to scale your brand. Need a cutting-edge website or custom app? Visit DubaiWeb.org today to get started. Now, let's get into the guide. Step 1. Log in to Claude. Access your Claude AI interface, open your account settings, and navigate to the Connectors or External Integration section. Step 2. Add the MCP connection. Select the option to add a custom MCP connection and enter your designated Google Search Console MCP endpoint. For example, third-party connectors often use an endpoint such as https://mcpsearchconsole.com/MCP. Always verify third-party MCP endpoints and inspect requested OAuth permissions before authorizing access to your Google account. Step 3. Authenticate your Google account. Once you initiate the connector, you will be redirected to the standard Google authorization screen. Select the account managing your Google Search Console properties, review the permission boundaries, and grant access. Step 4. Select your target property. After authentication, the connector fetches all properties linked to your account. Choose the domain or URL prefix you wish to analyze, such as example.com or sc-domain:example.com.
Step 5. Test the connection. Run a simple verification query inside Claude to confirm data retrieval by typing "List all available website properties accessible in my Google Search Console account." And that is it. You are all set to analyze your SEO data directly within Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you are looking to elevate your business with a high-performing website or application, don't forget to submit your project over at DubaiWeb.org. See you in the next video.